My name is Jamie Cole, and I am the president and owner of Ace Truck Body and Trailer Repair.
My name is Mark Brantley. I'm the parts manager here at Ace Truck Body and Trailer.
My name is Austin Cole, and I do a little bit of everything.
Ace Truck Body and Trailer Repair is a full functioning shop from engine repair and body repair to trailer repair. We've been in business since 1981. My responsibilities here at Ace is to ensure everyone has a job and to make sure our customers are happy so that they can keep their businesses running and keep food in the stores. Before using Vision, our main struggles were our hands hurt because it was a lot of handwriting and a lot of manual work. We were prompted to seek out Vision to figure out how to get some profitability reports and figure out how to get the technicians to clock in on jobs. My onboarding experience with Vision was fantastic. I learned everything from their team, and it was the best experience that I could have ever had.
Using Vision's been awesome. Seeing the technicians be able to clock in and out easier has been awesome because we get to see what time they actually spend versus the time the job paid.
My favorite feature is in inventory. It's very easy to keep the proper amount of stock. You can, like say with filters, it's easy to keep the most popular ones. You can set the system up to where it will give you a minimum and maximum quantity. Some filters you'll use 6 a week, and some filters you'll only use 1 every 6 months. So it keeps from having too much of one and the correct amount of others. You know, without Vision, parts would get missed, and that would lead to us losing thousands of dollars in sales a year.
Vision has increased our revenue and efficiency by a lot because the technicians do clock in on the jobs now, and I am able to run that profitability report. And I'm able to show the technicians how much time they're spending on each job, so therefore it makes them accountable for the amount of time that they're spending on the jobs, and it makes them work a little faster. The customization on the invoicing is very helpful. We close anywhere from 20 to 100 invoices a day. Sometimes it can be more than that. And now since we have Vision, it would save me anywhere from an hour to 3 hours a day. I'd recommend Vision. It fits our needs to a T, so I have recommended it on several occasions. I think it would be a good benefit for anyone in the industry.
Definitely recommend Vision for others and other companies due to the fact of how simple it is to use and having everything in one spot.
Yeah, I would recommend Vision to others. It's very simple to train new employees on, very simple to use, and very hard to mess up.
Vision's going to be a huge part of our future, being able to communicate and grow together and being able to talk to each other with the customer service being so helpful to us. It's just going to make Ace grow and prosper.